right, y'all. So, last but not least, cinnamon toast crunch. Yep, same thing. This one is short sleeves. I'm wearing a size medium, and this one has no butt flap. Take my word for it, this one has no butt flap. Yep. And I decided to stop at the 4th button. I should have did another button, because matter of fact, I might start just buttoning them all the way up. I'm just gonna start buttoning them all the way up just for YouTube, okay? For YouTube. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. I'm losing light. It's about to rain. First it's sunshine out, then the sun gone. I'm tired, so this is definitely going to be the last one. I was going to do a little bit more, maybe a couple of more, but I'll save it for the next day because I still got other stuff that's not posted yet. So I think I'm ahead of the game. So anyways, y'all, so that's it for this one. For the cereal collection, no restocks. Yeah, make sure you follow our Instagram, No Sleep Boutique LLC, for more. And that's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more try on haul. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I love the way you activate your hips and put your yeah, but anyway, so this piece right here, this piece was never going to make production. This was just a sample piece that I got made. Like, this was my very first sample piece that I ever got made back in 2019. So I just, picked a random photo of Tupac, and I was like, hey, put this on a onesie, let me test your material, stuff like that. And then the next design I ended up getting was the 8-ball design. It's pretty much like this, but it got the little pool table balls all over it. And if you're a day one, you already know what that look like. But anyway, this one has a butt flap on it. And like I said before, this is my very first sample. They put the butt flap a little bit too high. Like, the butt flap is way up here where my back is. The butt flap's supposed to be a little bit lower, like a little bit under. But if y'all can see, there is the butt flap in the back right there. So this is it, y'all. I don't have no more Tupac apparel. No more Tupac apparel. I know one of my subscribers do like Tupac or love Tupac as much as I do, but this is it. I don't have any more. This is like a fashion, try on haul, and I don't have Tupac apparel or nothing like that. So this is all I have. Yeah. It's slightly made different from the cheetahs a little bit. But yeah, but this was never gonna make full production. So I wear it. I used to wear it. I took photos in it and everything. I used to wear it a little bit, or I'll post, like around his birthday, I'll post myself wearing this onesie or whatever. Yeah. Last but not least, y'all, this is it. I told y'all I'm not gonna hold y'all this video, okay? Ain't gonna hold y'all. Yeah. Very first onesie I ever got made, and I decided to put Tupac on me, y'all. All right, it's close to midnight and something evil's lurking in the dark. Okay, so this one is Thriller. And that's it. It's just Thriller. We're just gonna call it Thriller. And y'all can already tell what's going on. But before I get into the details, let me do my little half 360. And I just put this on. I ain't even rearranged nothing. These arms. Alright. Same thing. Medium that I am wearing. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this one is definitely giving spooky vibes, of course, and definitely playful play suit. You can wear this just chilling around the house, watching scary movie. You can trick or treat in it if you don't have a Halloween costume. You know, it's all right. It's all right. Last minute, whatever. Because these Halloween costumes are expensive. They know what they doing. They know. They know people are on the hunt for these costumes and they gonna be expensive. Okay. But anyway, yeah. Yeah, but I like this one though. One of these already sold already. But yeah, this is good. I like this one though. All right, so let's get into the details of this one. Let's get into the details. So y'all already know MJ Thriller. If y'all haven't watched that video, watch the video. Like, that video is super duper scary, okay? I used to be scared of that video when I was young. Like, it's scary. But anyway, so this is basically him in the Thriller video when he turned into the little whatever zombie in the graveyard, and then it says R.I.P. And yeah, so that's what's going on. It's got that dark little spooky vibe to it. But yeah, it's a cop. It's a cop. You definitely better get this for your girl, whoever. Get it ASAP. Alright, y'all. Here is the next look. The next pajamas. Onesie, okay? Romper, whatever you want to call it. The gingerbread. It is so cute. I'm getting more and more excited. Yeah, and I am losing weight because it just seems like each time I put on a onesie, they get more looser and looser and looser. All the mediums should be the same size, but you know, okay. So yeah, so this is the gingerbread, and you see the gingerbread candy cane, and then the little I think they got gifts inside here, little bag of gifts. And do they have a Santa hat? I thought I saw a Santa hat. Well, whatever. Anyways, but yeah, that's that's going on. And then these got 7 buttons, but they're white buttons. I told them put white buttons on that thing and make it stand out a little bit. Even though they didn't make the buttons bigger this time. Like on the green solid one, the white buttons were a little bit bigger. These are a little bit smaller. Yeah, short sleeves, because we do have some hot people. We got some hot people, and when you got that heat on in your house, you're gonna get hot. So this is for the hot people. Yup. The waist is wasting though in this. It's wasting. This is super comfortable. I am so excited. Like, I'm really gonna go hard on promoting these on Instagram. Like, even when the odds are against me, I am gonna go hard. Okay? Got to get these out. Like, I want all of these to sell out full price, for full price. Yeah, it's super cute though. Yeah, stretchy. Yeah, I can't wait to Instagram see this. I don't know how many people from my Instagram are on here actually, so yeah, speak up, speak up. Yeah, I'm gonna pair this up with some socks too on the Instagram. I'm gonna definitely pair this up with some socks. I'm gonna pair this up with the burgundy socks, so make sure y'all follow the Instagram. No Sleep Boutique.